Welcome friends. In today's video we're going to put together a pumpkin wreath. I picked up these pumpkin stalks from Michael. Some of these are velvet covered, some of them are plain. I used just orange and white. You can use any colors of your choice. For my wreath form I have a white metal half moon shape today. And then I simply pulled the pumpkins apart so that each pumpkin is attached to a stalk. This way you can easily attach them to the wreath. To affix the pumpkins onto the wreath, I'm simply just inserting the stalk into the mesh. I'm just going to go ahead and do that to all of the large pumpkins, and then to make sure they are completely attached to it, I flip the wreath over and then I'm just twisting the metal stalks together. The stalks are actually covered with paper, but then there's a metal wire inside, so you can easily just twist them and they'll hold in place. I repeated this with the white pumpkins now, and I love the way the velvet looks on the wreath. I was kind of tempted to leave it just the velvet pumpkins itself, but then I went ahead and filled in the little areas in between with the smaller pumpkin stalks, and I love how full the wreath looks with that. This wreath was so easy to put together and I love the way it turned out. I also love that it's reusable. You can simply unwind it and remove all the pumpkins and apply different ones next year. Like, I would love to try this with just all white pumpkins. I think that would look amazing too. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed today's video. I'll leave the supplies and a blog post link in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon. Till then, happy crafting!